Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of entering your activation code on espn.com.stream so you can watch your favorite sports instantly. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your device. This can be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser. Step 2. Visit espn.com/stream. In the address bar, type in espn.com.stream and press enter. This will take you directly to the ESPN streaming service. Step 3. Log in or create an account. If you already have an ESPN account, click on the Login button and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, select the Sign Up option and follow the prompts to create a new account. Step 4. Access the activation page. Once you're logged in, you may need to navigate to the Account or Settings section in your profile. Look for an option that mentions activation or linking devices. Step 5. Enter your activation code. You should see a field to enter your activation code. This is typically a 6 or 8-digit code. Carefully type the code into the specified field. Step 6. Confirm your activation. After entering the activation code, click on the Submit or Activate button. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your device has been successfully activated. Step 7. Start watching. Once activated, you can return to the ESPN website or app and start watching your favorite sports content immediately. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Happy streaming!